Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing a Dior unboxing. As you guys can see, I have this beautiful packaging here. I think this is their holiday packaging of this year from Dior. Wow, I'm telling you guys, I have chased this item for such a long time, and finally I received a notification a few weeks ago that this item is available to be ordered online, and I jumped in it and finally it's here. But I don't know, the shipping took a long time for them to ship this item. I think it's a little over a week for them to ship, and then I receive it after I got a notification. I receive it in maybe 4 or 5 days maybe, but I know it's just like the long wait is finally over and she's here, and I totally love the packaging. So I think this is the receipt, and let me just show you this beautiful packaging, guys. I cannot help it, but wow, it is stunningly beautiful. Love that ribbon right there. Oh my gosh. And then I'll give you a little bit of 360 in it right here. Wow, beautiful. I absolutely love the packaging this year. I think that Dior has the most beautiful packaging so far in all the fashion houses out there. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous. So let me open this package right here and show you what I've got. I am so excited. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Okay, look at that. Oh wow, beautifully wrapped. Once again, impressive. The packaging is actually impressive. Let me just take it out this way. Oh my gosh. Finally, she's here. And the beautiful dust bag right here. And here comes, oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Wow. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. So this is a Dior 30 Montaigne pouch right here, and it's made up of the blue classic Dior oblique jacquard material. So the jacquard part is right here, the body of it, and it has a leather trim around it. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. So we have the logo right here, the emblem CD, and more likely I'm not sure if it is it's shiny though. It's a little bit more muted gold hardware. And also this one has those patch right there. It is surrounded with that leather patch right there. I think that is a beautiful touch. And also the piping around the corner, I like that they reinforce it with the leather. I always like that. And that's what I like about the purse, when the purse is lined with the piping is leather, not with the glazing, the edge paint though. So love the beautiful finishing touch. But I have noticed that the bag is a little bit distorted in a way, like this part right here. As you guys could see right there, that looks strange. But I think this one is a jacquard material, so I think I could easily correct that by putting some like stuffing and everything. So let's open the purse right here. Okay, so this one has a pull tab right here. It is in leather right here, and also the teeth is in gold as well right here. Yeah, basically the hardware and are in gold, And also the detailed Christian Dior right here, patty at the back of the zipper. It's very nice. And it seems that, yeah, this looks cloudy though. Yeah, it has a lot of scratches. I have no idea. This one apparently has shown a lot of scratches, whereas the logo, not so much, but this one has a lot of scratches though. Like you could literally see it. And also the pull tab still has the protective film in it. Okay, let's take a look at inside. Okay, remove the stuffing. This is how it looks inside. It is lined with the fabric and in this black color, maybe dark blue. So that's how it looks inside. It has a wide opening. Very nice. I love it. And it also has it has a card slot right here. We have 1, 2, 3. You could put 3 cards in there. And it is in the card slot. I think, yeah, the card slot there is actually made up of leather material. And it says right there, Christian Dior patty made in Italy. And this gold foil stamp in it. And it has a side pocket right here. It's flat. I think Dior 65. I don't know what that is. Let me take out the card. I think this is just a certification saying the manufacturer certificate right there. So basically this is how it looks inside. Wow, I love the lining inside. And supposedly, oh wow, this one has supposed to have the strap. You know the strap where you could actually hook up on your D-ring? Supposedly on the website this has supposed to have a strap, and it's not here. It's not attached in here. Oh my gosh. Now I cannot find the strap at all. The strap is nowhere to be found. And oh my gosh, I don't know. I mean, I've been waiting for such a long time to get hands on these, and they sent me the item that is incomplete, and this one is distorted right there, and it has a lot of scratches. I mean, what is going on right here? Is this a return item? I wouldn't say it's defective though, but I don't know. This does not meet the supposedly the standards for the high-end product though. I mean, that is awful. Oh my gosh. I mean, I was so disappointed that the hardware is fine. I mean, I have nothing to worry about the hardware. They'll scratch. No matter what you do, they'll scratch. But without that strap right there, I mean, it comes with a strap. It should come with that strap. I mean, that's terrible right there. I mean, oh my gosh. I was so disappointed for this purchase, guys. I mean, I don't know what to say. I have totally lost my interest. I was gonna continue with. I was so excited. I was gonna continue doing a little bit of a detailed a review on this beauty right here, but I have just totally lost my interest right away for that. I mean, the packaging is beautiful, but the product is. They sent me an incomplete item. That's awful. Oh my goodness. I have checked everywhere and I cannot find anything at all. I mean, this is this is such a failure in their part for not checking everything that is included on this purchase. I could not, this is unacceptable, unfortunately. So anyway, I am gonna end this video because I will definitely gonna call them and find out what's going on, what happened. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Sorry, I cannot continue more on this. I was gonna do what fits and comparison, but I have just totally lost my interest in it. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.